Good afternoon, YouTube. Today out in the cook shack, I'll be doing French toast and sausage patties. I believe I have everything out here. Show you what I got going on. I do have some nice thick bread that they call Texas toast, bananas, strawberries, sausage patties, butter, then also my custard. The custard I usually like to make, a couple hours ahead of time, let it rest in the fridge. But what I have here is 4 eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 cup of half and half, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, a dash of vanilla, and I lightly mix it together. Then the other thing I like to do is I like to leave my bread sit out for a couple hours, let it dry out a little bit. I do have the flat top now preheating. The burner on the far left is on medium, the one next to it is on low, the two on the right are off. Some of you may have noticed I made some improvements to the cook shack. I got rid of that cedar fencing and replaced it with some steel siding. Then I also made an exhaust fan for the woodwind. Be a lot nicer, easier to keep clean. Won't have the little gaps between the cedar boards. Be a lot nicer for the winter. They do run from top to bottom. The sausage tends to cup up like that a little bit, these patties, so I'll flip it. Flip it a little sooner than what I normally would. I'll turn the heat up just a little bit more, turn it up to medium. Well, it's just below medium. Okay, let's put some butter down for our French toast. I could feel the bread dried up nicely. A little more butter. Go ahead and turn this far burner on low. That's all it takes. Get the sausages come along nice. Alright, here I am back a minute or two later. The sausages are pretty much done. We'll go ahead and turn that burner off. Let's give a peek at our French toast. Come along nice. Oh yeah, real nice. This side's cooking a little cooler. flip this one. See what else Camp Chef has now? Some disposable grease trays. Liners, I should say. Awesome. Love them for that. Yeah, I should have had that burner on medium also, or low. I think I also didn't get enough custard on this one too. Okay, here I am another minute or two later. I'm going to go ahead and shut everything off. Plate up. Okay, breakfast is ready. I'm going to go ahead and bring this in the house so we can eat before it cools off. If you want to learn more about Camp Chef products, just click on the link in the description. Also, click and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos from the Outdoor Cook Shack. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.